Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Grok 3 as an AI agent. So what you want to do is first use a deep search, okay, in your new chat, and then you just tell it that you want to create a free AI agent with the Google Gemini API key. I usually use Google AI Studio for this, and in Replit in HTML we'll be using Replit to deploy it, okay, CSS and JavaScript give a full code. So just go ahead and send this over. They'll give you a free AI agent. You can describe your agent as well. And then it'll start, building your AI agent for you. And basically what is going to happen, it will be a web-based, chat interface, like a chatbot. And it'll integrate everything. It's just showing you right here what they're planning on doing, the whole thought process. So here we go. We have our code. We can just go ahead and copy this. And here's just a basic guidance they've given you as well. You create a new replit using the code, right, the template, and then you replace the contents of the index.html here in Replit, okay, that you have with this code, and your Gemini API key. You go to your Google Gemini API key. I'll use Google AI Studio. Just click here, get API key, and then you can just go ahead and create a new API key. You can name this anything you want. I'll just name this Grok, agent, right? We'll name this Grok agent. And then just choose any project. We'll create a new one, Grok. Click on Create Project, and you get your API key that you can go ahead and use, right? Just go ahead and copy that API key, okay? So there you go. Click on Create Key after the project has been created. Then all you do, you take this, okay? Replace the contents of the index.html with this code, and then your API key as well. Just copy that key, replace that as well. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button, subscribe to App Mentor.